A very interesting piece of Colclough to show you. This is transitional date-wise Colclough, very unusual shape. It's bridging the transition when Colclough was entering into the Ridgway pottery group. So it's labelled as Colclough property or product of the Ridgway potteries group, but it's very much the old 1940s style, and the dates on this is sort of 1946 through to around 1954. This pattern is 8182. It's quite unusual both in its shape with this rib moulded, slightly D-shaped. You can see the D-shaped teacup shape starting to emerge here for Colclough, but a very unusual and rare shape for Colclough. And it's on blue ground. This is our reference label for the pieces. You see this turquoisey blue background glaze, not white at all, and then this blue-brown transfer printed floral design. Colclough crown, stylized marks, product of the Ridgway potteries, and a square 6 3/8 inch, I think, diameter or square side plate. So an early design on that. Nice round saucer with scalloped rim, pedestal footed, really good retention on the gilt all the way around these rims, and pristine inner walls on the teacups. 8182 was just the same period as Linden on 8162. So around this period they were being introduced. Some of these patterns continued and were named later, but 8182 didn't continue. The period of production is quite short, making it quite a rare one to find. And in this condition, which is near mint, it's extremely unusual, exceptionally unusual really to find. 6 pieces, 6 trios coming through on this particular listing. I think we've got sugar basin and milk jug and a couple of cake plates. No teapot. I wish I had a teapot. It would be an extremely valuable piece of china if it was undamaged. So if you are taken by this, blue ground, turquoisey blue ground with a floral design, unusual moulding shape into the teacup, high wing angel handles. It's just beautiful shape and really Colclough at its very, very best. Available for sale from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll pop a link below, take you through to the listing where you should be able to find all the product details, sizes, measurements and everything that you require to make your decision. Thanks for watching.